All right, got a new Stitch Fix box. Haven't had one of these in a while. So let's see what they sent for me. I picked out two. We've got our return bag over here for anything that I don't like or want to send back. And here's our little package. I love how they package these things. It's great. So I think this is the top that I saw in my preview, and I liked it. So this is the Kaylee Mercy button sleeve detail knot tee in mustard yellow, and full price it is $36. And I like that it has these little buttons, and it's pretty thin. It's not too see-through, but it's definitely a little bit thin, which I like for summer. Oh my goodness, I actually have this top already. Oopsie. Oopsie. I love this top, by the way. This is one of my favorite tops ever. I wear it all the time. It is the Daniel Rain split neck cap sleeve linen blend top in small. This is what I love so much about it. It is mixed pattern, so it's just a really fun top. So I'll be Poshmarking that if I keep the rest of the items to get my 25% discount. And that one is $21.97. And then this was the other item that I chose in my preview. I know I have a lot of plaid already, but this, I think the color is really cute on it. It's a cosmic blue top, clarity plaid. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive. Macy relaxed half button down woven shirt. Really cute. And that is $33.97. It's got a little pocket there. Oh, cute. Okay, these are cute. Please fit. So these are Flag and Anthem Victoria cutoff denim short in yellow. They're like a light limey yellow. This isn't even a good, it's not picking up the color right. They're definitely more limey than they are yellow. So I think they actually would look pretty cute with this, honestly. And those are $59.50. So those are definitely on the higher end of what I was asking for. And then this is a pair of denim shorts. I think they're a little too short for what I like now. These are in a size large. Excuse me. They're Roxy short break short, size large, and they're $48.